Hi, my name is Jan from National Institute of Technology, Ibaraki College, Japan. I'm going to present my project, Attitude Estimation for Nasmyth Telescope using deep learning image recognition. Let's get to it. Let me tell you a story. At National Institute of Technology Astronomy Club, we are working on both the academic study and the contribution to the local community, which is the astronomical observation that anyone, from young to old, salaryman, anyone, can come and observe the night sky. And the main is Nasmyth Telescope, which is a high magnification telescope built adapted for people in wheelchair. However, because of the narrow field of vision, it is difficult to get the target star into view. This is a common problem for any telescope that makes it so hard to use, especially for children and people with disability. So, we worked on developing a program that allows us to know which direction the telescope is facing, aka finding the celestial coordinate, by analyzing the image from the telescope. And this is the attitude estimation we're talking about. The technology is image recognition by AI using deep learning. It's been only 6 months, and what I've got is this constellation recognition program. When we input the image data of the constellation, the program will recognize and tell us what the constellation is, in this case, Orion. Then, we experimented with how the accuracy changes when the quality of the taste data is changed. Now, let's get to know the program. You can think of this program as a brain. Here's a question: how does brain classify things? For example, an apple and an orange. The answer is, we've seen them many times and our brain recognizes them with a name tag like this. So when we see it again, our brain can tell that this is an apple and this is an orange. This is exactly what the program does. The project is divided into 3 parts. 1. Developing the program. First, create the convolutional neural network, which is the brain structure. The model has 4 layers. Each layer has neural cells and they are connected. Second, pre-process the raw input data, so it can be used as a database, and this database is used to train the brain. 2. Experiment to adjust the model. First, adjust the combination of activation functions that define how the brain thinks. Now we've got ReLU, and softmax. Second, the number of epochs, which define how many times the brain will be trained. Please note that high number of epochs doesn't always work. This is called overfitting, and for this project, 7 is the best. At this point, the program can successfully recognize the constellation in wide range, with the highest accuracy of 0.97. 3. Tasting the program. By changing the quality of the tasting data and experiment the changes in recognition rate. First, magnification. And second, brightness or intensity of light pollution. Now we found that the medium magnification and the least light polluted data is the most accurately recognized. Now, what's so unique about this project? Well, the attitude estimation is the project that Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, or JAXA, is researching for a spacecraft, and a high school student is trying to do it, but with different objectives, tools, and algorithms. Isn't it interesting? This can expand into an endless big project. The goal is for anyone and any telescope to easily find the direction of the telescope just by pointing it into the sky. As simple as that. Isn't it easy? And we believe that throughout this project, any telescope would be easier to use for anyone, so that more people can get to learn more about interesting things in astronomy. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you again. Please check the link down below. Bye!